I hear sound. Five senses. Listen. You are using your ears to hear. Hearing is one of our five senses. We use our senses to learn about our world. The five senses: seeing, touching, hearing, smelling, tasting. We have two ears for hearing. Amazing animal ears. Caracals have tufts of hair on their ears. Scientists think the tufts may help them hear better. A barn owl can hear a mouse on the soft forest floor 75 feet, almost 23 meters away. Dogs can hear 4 times better than humans. They hear sounds that are impossible for humans to hear. What makes sound? When something vibrates, it makes sound. Pluck a guitar string. You can hear, see, and feel it vibrate. Very fast vibrations have a high pitch. Slower vibrations have a lower pitch. Lower pitch, higher pitch. Pitch describes how low or high a sound is. Size can also affect pitch. A large bell has a lower pitch than a smaller bell. Vibrations make sound waves. Sound waves can travel through air, water, and solids.